season against Arsenal. Changes for Manchester United today. Welcome a new contract on the cards for Adama Traore, with interest from Spurs and his...
This level is fine lines, and we can look at all the stats and say, and not just him.
Varane alongside Maguire for the first time. Sancho makes Manchester United
I like
play.
him very much. Slightly mystified why I'd leave Madrid, but...
And that's the way they might line up today. I think if you've got complete...
have a fight on
place in the starting 11.
Got one of the greatest players ever that's come to.
Now Spurs are top of the table going into the international break. They've beaten Watford at the top of the pitch, and the options Ole Gunnar Solskjaer's. But can Wolves take heart from how difficult Southampton made?
Ole Gunnar Solskjaer's 100th Premier League selection for Manchester United. David De Gea starting his 11th season in goal. Dean Henderson, his main rival, has been off work with COVID. So Rafa Varane, after doing extra training to get ready for the Premier League, does make his debut today. Scott McTominay gets straight down to business with the teams, and Bruno Lage continuing the Portuguese influence with Wolves, as is Jose Sá, the new goalkeeper who's replaced Rui Patricio. Three at the back, which was Nuno's preference until last season. Max Kilman, the former futsal international, still filling in for Willy Boly. And time for us all to take a moment to consider what we call our cup. Just herring up in support. And David De Gea has to make the save. Try to Trincao, who's still going. Still Trincao! Still Trincao! Trying to match pace with pace here. It's Bruno Fernandes, who can hit them from distance, but Semedo coming from the right-hand side. This time Traore took on the shot himself.
Oh, he's had a big impact very early in this game.
Saka, Kit, Raul Jimenez, gave it to Mason Greenwood. Despite Conor Cody's the little touch. We've seen a couple of goals earlier today that have just been touched in from close range. One for Burnley, one for Leeds. Can't stop Traore. On he goes. Is there going to be a finish this time? Jimenez. Nottingham Forest, Marçal. The left wing back, as he could have been last season. He was injured for a lot of time. Colleague Luke Shaw, offside. A free kick given by Dean as Jimenez was caught. Penalty area taken by Martinho. Away by, gets a lot of goals from distance, but it's a little cross this time. A little bit more cleverness about his dribbling. And Luke Shaw having to go with him. And he's quick, Shaw, which is a compliment to Trincao. Marçal's got some space here. In swinging corners these days. Traore squeezes the cross in and makes goal of the campaign. Variation on the corner. Neves. It's a clever pass for Jimenez. Goes again. James. Matt. Shaw. In the Premier League years, but going back to the old football
Side Manchester United.
Sal's cross. Pogba, they're all running away from him. I think they've run offside. Pogba, it's a fine early ball, and Bruno Fernandes fires it in, but he's offside. It's back for Manchester United, and in the end, Ruben Neves might connect as he wanted to. Cocked it well off target. And now James.
Thinking what they're going to speak about, maybe a half-time or what change.
0 Manchester United 0.
I saw him there, he's talking to Carrick, he's talking to Mickey Phelan. I'll be telling them that...
David, second half is underway. United corner early in the second half. Off goes Traore, just losing his feet. Trincao, he's through here for Wolverhampton. Two Wolves. Just be about to be replaced, but he's going to have another number. A lot of speculation. Going to be the playmaker. Here comes Traore, the dribbling king. Dribbler meet. Traore's offside. Bruno Fernandes read it, controlled it, and tried to set up Sancho. Here, but here's Traore's just made space for the cross. Jimenez going in. His sort of area, really. He thinks it should be a corner. Trincao coming in from the opposite side. Can he find him? He can! Oh, and that just sums up the state of Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Yeah, they've just lost the composure at the vital time so often, Wolves, in these positions.
And here with Mason Greenwood, Cavani's up with him. Greenwood in the goals. Real pressure on him. Ooh. Spare from Pogba's pass. In the Premier League. João Moutinho trying to put it on the money. Oh, it's still not gone in. David De Gea managed to keep it out, incredibly. Here's Ruben Neves. Trying to hit the target, made it more comfortable for David De Gea than he obviously wanted to do.
And Traore's on this right side, full stop.
Bruno Fernandes early. There for players like Mason Greenwood. Cavani coming in from the far side. And it's 10th place in the table, in by Wood. The goalkeeper. Cavani might have strayed Hillsborough. Pogba. Seen as a 50-50 by Mike Dean. And the ball's ended up in the back of the Wolves net. Mason Greenwood fired it across, and Manchester United have taken the lead away from home again, but it will